We audit ourselves too. We have got our company ISO 9000, 14000 and 45000 certified. We might even go for 19005 very soon. Is to audit our every process and activity. And every activity is recorded accordingly. That would be for health and safety, for environment, and we've had a pretty decent record of safety and environmental impact of everything we do. So we're making it part of our lifeline and process and activity which we are doing. We've been operating for so many years. We've had no critical accidents. We have had no critical liability from the clients. Our teams are trained enough to work in hazardous areas. We know how to make local containments to protect the neighboring work areas, to protect our people inside, and we're able to record that data and submit. So if tomorrow any case comes up, that data is available. We'll help our clients and ourselves and protect ourselves by recording enough data on the actual activity which you perform and the end result of it. So that in future, if there's any feedback or any recourse from anywhere, we're able to handle it. And that's one of the reasons most of our clients are happy, comfortable working with us, because we are protecting ourselves, and in doing so, we're protecting their interest. So they know that we have not left behind any window for litigation for them in the future. Most of these companies do this work because it is mandatory, because they have their own audits, external audits, which they have to meet. And if we do not provide them the backup for it, the entire activity is of no use to them. So we have trained our people, our teams, to work in that format. We have also worked with our clients to devise new strategies, new working methods, and it's an evolution, because every location we have gone to has had its own unique little, and to be able to record that properly and record its impact. So we can compare the different activities we did or different strategies we followed, what was the difference in impact. And maybe they can record that as some of the sustainability activities where they have saved on efficiency or environment for the organization. So we're doing this very consciously, understanding our clients' needs and ourselves. And that's one of the reasons we have a long list of clients who have been with us for a long time. Our customers are very wide range. We've got customers from the pharmaceutical industry. We've got customers from hospitality industry. We've got customers from engineering services, from F&B sector, food manufacturing units. We've got customers from the shipbuilding industry. It's right across the board, because the problem of environmental issues affecting air or safety or other contaminants is right across the board. We've worked with large consultants who are midway between the end client and us, which are of international repute. We've worked with AECOM, we've worked with Jacob Engineering, we've worked with Arcadis, who are large consultants who are doing a lot of environmentally sustainability work. And they trust our capabilities to execute such projects safely, timely, without taking any risk. And we have successfully handled so many projects for them. And similarly, we've got direct clients in the pharma industry. We've worked with icons like GlaxoSmithKline, we've worked with Cipla, we've worked with Sun, naming a few. Hotel industry, we've worked with hospitality, with the Trident Group, we've worked with ITC, we've worked with Marriott's. Industrial side, we've worked with Philips, we've worked with a lot of other heavy engineering manufacturing companies. Then we've worked with a lot of IT companies like Accenture is a client, Wipro is a client, Google is a client, BlackRock is a client, many like that. We've worked with banks, Stan Chart is a client, HSBC is a client. I mean, just to name a few, I have difficulty keeping track, and these people come back to us every time with jobs and new issues, new problems, which we try to find solutions for them. And we've done some interesting work that has, while doing these jobs, we've gained so much of knowledge, because each problem was so unique in some places, and that has been a value addition for the company, its team, its people. Every day we learn something, and that has been very interesting. We've also worked with architectural companies. There's a company called Space Metrics, which did a lot of work with them. They had 300,000 square feet of space, which we worked with them on. So it's been an interesting experience. My vision for EBSCO is to add more services to our client list and add new clients, specifically looking at the environment and in that particular sector. Our company specializes in environmental engineering services, and we will stick to this goal, may it be air, earth or water. We want to, whatever we do, we want to be the best at it and be able to demonstrate how we can meet our corporate goals with our environmental objectives for our country. And I can assure you, we are as good as any multinational company anywhere abroad. In fact, this challenge has come to us by many people, multinationals, and we have challenged them that we can do, if not the same, better than what their multinational vendors can do.